If the microphone is not working on your iPhone, maybe when you make iPhone calls, or maybe when you're recording videos or doing voice memos, I'm going to walk you through some simple steps to get it working. It only takes a few minutes, so let's jump right in. The first thing you can do is, if it's not working for phone calls, try just calling a random person or calling yourself. And I'm going to show you a trick. So hop into a call, let's say with myself, swipe down from the top right, and tap on phone controls at the top. On here, if this is set to standard or wide spectrum, try voice isolation, and that might help the volume on your microphone, essentially recording your voice and isolating just your voice. Try that to see if that fixes it. But if it doesn't, that is no problem. Let's just hop out of here. And the next thing we're going to do is open up the Settings app on your iPhone. From the Settings app, tap on Bluetooth midway down, and I would disconnect from Bluetooth. Turn this off, or at least make sure you're not connected to a Bluetooth speaker, that all of the microphone is going through there and not your phone. The next thing we're going to do is tap the back arrow. From here, we're going to scroll down until we get to Privacy and Security. Tap on that. And then scroll down again until you get to Microphone on this list and tap on that. This shows you all of the apps that have access to your microphone. So of course, if it's not working for certain apps, you can just toggle it on, and now it should be working for that app. However, if that doesn't fix it, there's an easy step that we can take for specific apps to get them working again. All you need to do is tap the back arrow at the top left, back again, go back to the beginning of your settings, and tap on General towards the bottom, and then tap on iPhone Storage, again midway down. Let's find the app that you're having issues with. Let's say in this case you're trying to record a video within Instagram, or let's say making a WhatsApp call instead. So tap on WhatsApp. You're going to offload the app, so just tap on Offload, and then after a few seconds just tap on Reinstall to just reinstall this app. This almost always fixes issues with that microphone. However, if that still doesn't fix it, that's no problem, because we can tap the back arrow. Let's go back a couple, and now within the general part of your settings, tap on Software Update. Just check to see if there's a software update. A lot of times this fixes it as well. If you don't have a software update, just tap the back arrow, scroll down to the bottom, and choose Transfer or Reset iPhone. From here, tap on the Reset option, and then choose Reset All Settings. Now, when you do this, it resets all of the settings on your iPhone, a lot of times fixing bugs or glitches in your iPhone just by resetting those settings. If you have a screen time passcode, you might need to enter that as well. And you can see it says no data or media will be deleted, but it will just reset all your settings. Keep in mind, we will reset your Apple Pay cards and keys and passes, so you will need to re-enter those in. Now, if you go through these steps and it still doesn't work, we can do a hard reset or a hard restart on your phone. This a lot of times fixes it. I'll show you how to do that exactly. You're going to press the volume up, press the volume down, and then press and hold the side button. Wait until you see the iPhone screen go completely black while holding this side button off to the right, and then just keep holding it until you see the Apple logo appear. When it does appear, you can release your finger and you've done that hard reset. Now, at this point, most channels ask you to like or subscribe. I'm not going to do that. I just want to thank you for spending a few minutes of your day here with me. I know you're busy, so thanks for spending some time with me, and I really hope this video made your life just a little bit easier today.